What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video today, I'm going to be introducing you all to the BTC Dana cryptocurrency trading platform where you get to enjoy 100% deposit bonus on your first deposit. Yes guys, you heard me right, 100% deposit bonus. All right, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how to trade profitably on various financial markets right here on BTC Dana step by step. All right, because I'm also going to be showing you how to get free BTC Dana native tokens, which is the BDC coin. All right, so guys, make sure you stick with me all through this video. Don't skip any part of it so you get your full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV, and what to do here is to give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so whenever Don Camps TV uploads amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you'll always be forced to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. All right, guys, so here we are back on my BTC Dana account dashboard right now. So guys, before we proceed on how you can actually trade profitably right here on BTC Dana to actually make profit each and every single day, I'm going to be introducing you all on how the platform works, so you actually get to know the benefits you get as a user right here on BTC Dana, guys. All right, so before you can start benefiting right here as a new user on BTC Dana, you first of all need to have signed up successfully and also, proceed with completing your KYC. Okay, so the process right here is very easy, guys. All right, so I'm going to be leaving the sign up link to BTC Dana down below this video description, and also it's going to be on my Telegram and WhatsApp community, guys. Okay, you can also join my community to actually get updates on there, guys. All right, so when you're actually done signing up and completing your KYC, what you should know now is the benefit you get as a new user. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says asset, guys. Here we are, guys. So as you can see, I currently have $500 on my trading account. All right, so over here that says deposit $100 to unlock your $100 bonus. I'm going to hit on it, guys. So as you can see over here, it says $100 cash rebate. Deposit now and get up to. As you can see over here, it says if you actually deposit $5, you get $25 bonus. Okay, so this is only for first deposit, guys. Okay, so this actually means that if you deposit $5 right now, you're going to be getting $25 bonus rebate. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you exactly where you can actually claim this money. Okay, I'm going to be showing you later on the video, guys. Okay, and over here it says if you deposit $10, you're going to be getting $50 bonus rebate, and this is only for first deposit. Okay, it's actually indicated right here that it's just for first deposit. All right, so as you can see down below here says if you deposit $10, you get $10 bonus as a rebate. Okay, so this is actually for frequent users on BTC Dana. Okay, so this is no longer based on first time deposit only. This is actually for frequent users right here on BTC Dana. Okay, so down below here says $20 deposit and you get $20 bonus rebate. Okay, so this is actually 100% bonus given back to you as a user right here on BTC Dana. Okay, and this money right here, this bonus is being given to you as vouchers. Okay, I'm going to be showing you exactly where you can claim these vouchers and actually use it for trading, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now, guys. Here we are. So guys, how can you make a deposit? So guys, if you actually want to make a deposit, just simply hit on this place right here that says deposit. Okay, and over here that says deposit, you can actually deposit using crypto deposit or normal cash deposit using your local bank. Okay, so like for me, I'm actually in Nigeria. If I actually want to deposit using my local bank, I'm just simply going to hit on this place right here that says deposit, guys. Okay, so as you can see over here, USDT tends to be cheap right here, guys. Okay, but mind you, you can't actually use this for arbitrage purposes because the BTC Dana website is not a crypto exchange, but more like a broker that actually assists you in trading the financial market. Okay, so that is the reason why you can't run arbitrage systems right here. Okay, it's actually prohibited right here. So as you can see, $10 is currently 13,800 right here. As you can see over here, and 690,000 naira is currently $500 right here, guys. Okay, so this is how cheap you get your dollars right here for trading on BTC Dana, guys. Right, and down below here that says deposit now. Let's say you actually want to deposit $10, you just simply hit on deposit now, and boom, guys, you'll be given a Nigerian account where you can actually make your deposit, guys. Okay, so that is basically how it is. Okay, and mind you, the minimum deposit right here is 5 USDT. Okay, so that is basically the minimum deposit right here on BTC Dana. Okay, so I'm gonna go back right now, guys. All right, I'm gonna hit on this page right here that says home. Okay, so guys, let's say you actually make a deposit of $5 and you actually want to know how you can get your $25 rebate bonus given to you by BTC Dana. All you just simply need to do is over here that says coupons. As you can see, you just simply hit on coupons right here, guys. Okay, and boom, guys, your available coupon is going to be showing over here that says coupon. Okay, it's going to be showing over here. So that is basically how you can actually activate your coupon and actually use your coupon for trading. Okay, so that is basically how it is, guys. All right, so I hope you understand exactly what I just said, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go back. Okay, so mind you, this is where you get your bonuses on the coupon section. This is where you actually get all your bonuses given to you by BTC Dana. So you can actually use it for trading right here. Okay, so guys, over here that says checking, you can actually check in daily, to get, free BTC coins. Okay, as you can see, it says BTC mining is now online. Okay, so this is where you check in daily to get free BTC tokens. As you can see, it says mining for BTC, accumulate BTC and enjoy dividends and recovery reward. Okay, so the steps are simple. This first one right here says verify phone number to get 10 BTC tokens and so on, as you can see over here, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now. All right, so over here that says mining, if I actually hit on mining right now, okay, so what happens right here is you also play these games right here to mine the BTC token. As you can see over here, it says deposit now to claim rewards. Okay, so I'm going to exit right here. So guys, when you actually play these games right here, you get, free BTC tokens. If I actually hit on this place right here that says check in right now, as you can see, I just got some, free, BTC tokens right here. If I hit on one KYC over here again, so you can see over here, I just got some coins. It says mining accumulation is 50.63. Okay, so let's say I actually want to exchange my, tokens to USDT. You can just simply hit on this place right here that says exchange. Okay, as you can see right here, it says I currently have 400.63 BTC tokens. All right, so this is basically very easy. As you can see, it says redeem point for BTC, 100 points equal 1 BTC. Okay, and as you can see right here, it is 1 BTC exchange for $1 withdrawal fee coupon 1.0. Okay, so guys, I currently have no point right now. As you can see, my point at 0, so I can't exchange, my tokens right now. So that is basically how it is. So I'm going to go back, guys. Okay, you can also complete missions, just complete some missions. These are the missions over here I showed you guys previously. Okay, and then you actually earn more BTC tokens. As you can see, it says complete daily tasks to earn more BTC. Okay, so these are the game rules. You can actually, just check in the rules. And over here that says leaderboard, you can just simply hit on the leaderboard and see the persons who are currently leading. As you can see, these are persons who are, down on this stuff. Okay, they're actually making so much BTC coins right now. Okay, so that is basically how it is. So over here, I'm still going to hit on this one that says active right here. Okay, as you can see, I've gotten more BTC tokens right there. Okay, so that is basically how it is, guys. All right, so I'm going to exit right now. Here we are. So over here that says demo, guys. If I actually hit on demo right now, what this place actually means is you can actually use the demo section for trading before you start trading with real accounts. Okay, so as you can see, it says new to trading, try a demo account and practice risk free. Okay, and it says get $10 bonus. I'm going to hit on this place right here that says activate now. Okay, so as you can see, it says you are all set, receive $10 bonus. Complete the demo account tax to earn your extra $5 bonus. As you can see, I'm going to hit on continue. Okay, I'm going to hit on this place right here that says trade now. Okay, so as you can see over here, it says please select a trading instrument. Okay, so let's say I want to trade BTC USDT. So it says complete demo account activation, receive $5 bonus. I'm going to hit on trade now. Okay, I'm going to skip all the steps because I don't want this video to get too long. So that is basically how it is, guys. Okay, you can actually trade using a demo account before you start trading using a real account. Okay, so that is it, guys. So if you actually want to learn how to trade, profitably right here on BTC Dana, I've actually made a video on that. So just check the top right corner of my screen right now for that video. I'm going to be leaving a link to that video at the top right corner of my screen. So make sure you watch that video to actually get the full basic info on how you can trade right here. Okay, that video covers how you can actually calculate your lot sizes and everything. So make sure you watch that video, guys. All right, so I'm going to go back right now. Okay, so over here that says calculator, this is where you actually calculate lot sizes, guys. Okay, so that is it. So it's quite easy, guys. All right, so make sure you watch that video to get the full basic info on how you can trade right here. All right, so I'm going to go back, guys. Okay, so right here that says referral, you can actually refer your friends right here to BTC Dana and you get wonderful referral commissions, guys. Okay, so I'm going to hit on it right now. So as you can see over here, it says invite friends, get $20 for each person you refer. Okay, it says earn a $3 commission per lot on all trading activities. So guys, this is basically what they mean. So this is your invite link over here. You can actually get your referral link by hitting on this place right here that is get referral link. Then you can simply grab your link and invite your friends down here. And when they make their first deposit for trading, you get rewarded right here, guys. Okay, so that is basically how the referral system works. All right. So I'm gonna go back right now, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Okay, so down below here that is market. If I actually hit on market right now, so this is where you get to trade various markets, right? So you can actually trade Forex right here. As you can see, this is Euro USD, USD JPY, AUD USD, and so on, okay? And over here, you can actually trade crypto. As you can see, you have various crypto pairs right here for trading, okay? So you can actually trade mentals as well. So down below here is XAU USD, which is gold, okay? So XAU USD is actually gold. for traders who actually trade their, mentals. All right, that is it. So over here, you can trade index and you can also trade stocks. All right, so this is basically how, easy all this, thing is. It's actually all in one, and it actually makes things very easy for you. Okay, so guys, make sure you watch that video I recommended, so you actually get to know exactly how you can trade profitably right here on BTC Dana. Okay, I'm also going to be leaving that video link on this video description, guys. Okay, so make sure you watch that video. Okay, so guys, this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today. I actually don't want this video to get too long. Okay, so guys, on my next video, I'm going to be showing you more and more updates on the BTC Dana. Okay, so guys, if you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon. You always get notified each time amazing videos like this one you just watched right now is being uploaded right here on Don Camps TV. Okay, so guys, thank you all for watching this video once more. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.